Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're taking a look at one of the best nets for stuffed animals, the Lilly's Love Stuffed Animal Hammock. If you've ever found yourself tripping over a mountain of plush toys in your kids' room or playroom, this storage hammock is a game changer. Whether you're looking to tidy up your space or display your child's beloved stuffed animals in a cute and organized way, this product might just be what you need. The Lilly's Love Stuffed Animal Hammock comes as a 2-pack, and it's designed to hang in the corner of a room, making it an excellent space saver. If you've been struggling with finding enough storage for all those stuffed toys, this hammock will help you clear up some much-needed floor space while still keeping your favorite plushies within easy reach. One of the standout features of this hammock is its high-quality polyester netting. It's strong and durable, able to hold up to 12 pounds of weight. That's plenty of space to store dozens of stuffed animals. The hammock expands to a generous 67 inches in height and 47 inches in both length and width, giving you a large storage area that's perfect for keeping everything organized. Installation is a breeze. The hammock comes with easy-to-use anchors and hooks, so you can quickly mount it in any corner of your room. Whether you're using it in a bedroom, playroom, or even a daycare, it'll fit seamlessly into the space. Plus, the design is simple yet charming, so it adds a fun and playful touch to any room, without feeling too bulky or distracting. Now, let's talk about its versatility. This hammock isn't just for stuffed animals. You can use it for storing other lightweight toys, blankets, or even seasonal items like hats and scarves. The netting design ensures that whatever you store is visible and easy to grab, which means your kids won't have to dig through a pile of toys just to find their favorite stuffed animal. What's also great about the Lilly's Love Hammock is its tear-proof and hangable design. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged easily, even with frequent use. It's built to last, making it an investment that'll serve your family for years to come. And don't forget, this product isn't just functional, it's also an adorable way to display your stuffed animals. Instead of cluttering up the floor or putting them away in a hidden storage bin, you can show them off in style. The hammock keeps everything organized, yet on display, so your child can proudly show off their collection. For anyone looking for a practical, durable, and cute solution to stuffed animal storage, the Lilly's Love Stuffed Animal Hammock is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, easy to install, and provides a great way to keep your child's room neat and tidy while still letting them enjoy their toys. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you think this hammock might be the perfect addition to your home, don't forget to check it out through the link in the description. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.